Kamar, stop looking at me. What are you looking at? I look crazy?
No.
Yes, I do. I look crazy. What's up, y'all? It's your girl KDiani here, back with another video. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how I safely remove my butterfly locks. I've had them in for like 2 weeks now, but they're starting to get dusty. They're like slipping and sliding and braids coming out. So I think it's about due time to take them out. So what you're going to need is a pair of scissors, of course. I'm just going to tie these away from my face. And I think because of with the hair that I use to wrap it, it like slides up and down. So that's what's going to make it easy for me to take these out. So this one's already like slid down, but as you can see, the hair that we crocheted inside still slides. So I'm just going to grab my scissor and cut this piece off right here and just pull it out. And I'm going to be doing that same thing for all of them. It's going to be a quick removal and it's going to be really fast, which is what I like, because with soft locks it took me a while to take them out and it was a pain in the butt. And I actually cut my hair accidentally when I was taking out my soft locks the last time I had them in, like this much hair, which is really sad. So I'm kind of glad that I used this hair because it makes it easy to take out. And a lot of you guys commented under my video how I did these, how many sections I had. I have 42 sections in my head, and they're really not that small. Partings, they're kind of big, like on the bigger side. And this one right here, I double wrapped it, so it's being like a pain to take out. As far as this hairstyle goes though, I don't think it lasts that very long. I think it can last for up to a month with proper care. Maybe if I use different type of hair, it would probably help it last long better, because this hair is kind of like on a silky side in a way, like when it's wrapped and stuff. It kind of tends to slide and unravel on its own. But with this hair, I think it can only last like 2 to 3 weeks. But I did use the Free Twist water wave hair in 22 inches, and I bought 7 packs, but I only used about like 5. I only used 5 packs with 42 partings. And this hairstyle is pretty fast to do also. It only took me like 2.5 hours to install it, which is pretty good for locks. Shouldn't take that long. And as far as the hair feels, like is it heavy or is it light? The hairstyle is pretty light in my opinion, not heavy. Obviously the more locks you have and probably the type of hair that you use can depend on whether the hair is heavy or not, but the hairstyle was pretty light. And I would do this hairstyle again, but probably with a different type of hair the next time to see if it would last longer. but I kind of change my hair every so often, so I guess this is what I get since I change my hair so much. But I'm like almost done already with taking them out. This is how easy it is to take it out. But it can be different if someone else does your hair and they have like a different technique in installing it, so taking it down can probably be different. I did these on myself, so I know what I did and I know how I could take them out without cutting off my hair or struggling to take it out my head. And this is all of the locks out of my head. Come on, stop looking at me. What are you looking at? I look crazy?
No.
Yes, I do. I look crazy. But it took me like 10 minutes just to take all of these out of my head. Super quick. Probably one of the fastest hairstyles to take out of my head. And it's not like one of those hairstyles where you have to clip at the bottom and then unravel it. It was just one of those like slide it out, cut it, slide it out, and you're done. And my hair still feels moisturized, which is good. You should always want your hair to still feel moisturized when you take a protective style out. But I'm gonna go do something different with my hair right now because this is not gonna cut it. So if you like this video, let me fix it. These little squiggly braids. Alright, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share the video. Don't forget to like it. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so that you're notified when I upload a new video. Any more questions that you guys have as far as this hairstyle goes, feel free to either DM me on Instagram or comment down below, and I will very much so answer your questions. But till next time, mucho besitos.
Coming in, yeah, flex. I just wanna win, yeah. LA BB, who we running with, yeah. 2233, I'm on 10 again, yeah. State your name, big dope on flame. I just switched the lanes. Damn, he did it.